Here are 3 life hacks specifically tailored for air travel. Maximize comfort with travel essentials. Long flights can be uncomfortable, but you can enhance your comfort with a few travel essentials. Invest in a good quality travel pillow to support your neck and head during sleep. Wear comfortable, layered clothing to adjust to temperature changes in the cabin. Pack noise-canceling headphones or earplugs and an eye mask to block out unwanted noise and light, promoting better rest during the flight. Stay hydrated and refreshed. Airplane cabins can be dehydrating due to the low humidity levels. To combat this, bring an empty, reusable water bottle through security and fill it up at a water fountain or with the cabin crew's assistance once you're on board. Additionally, pack a small toiletry bag with travel-sized skin care essentials such as moisturizer, lip balm, and facial mist to keep your skin hydrated and refreshed throughout the flight. Beat jet lag with strategic planning. Minimize the effects of jet lag by strategically planning your sleep schedule before and during your flight. Adjust your sleep and meal times gradually a few days before departure to align with your destination's time zone. During the flight, try to sleep or stay awake based on the local time at your destination to help reset your internal clock. Stay hydrated, avoid excessive alcohol and caffeine consumption, and expose yourself to natural light upon arrival to help regulate your circadian rhythm and ease the transition.